from Google and Amazon Prime. Link in the description. Pixel 8. There's not too much on the box. Reminds me of an iPhone with the stripes and everything. Satisfaction. Double satisfaction. USB from A to C converter, cable, and thick book. Piano black version, which could be a fingerprint magnet. It could be, but I don't think it is. Volume buttons, power button, antenna, huge stripe for the cameras, 2 cameras and a flash and the mic, and I think that's the sensor, depth sensor in the middle. I don't know if you can see it in close-up. All right. We do have an antenna, another one, and on the top, antenna, microphone, on the side, 2 more antennas, SIM card tray, antenna, and on the bottom, speaker, USB Type-C antenna, and a speaker. It feels very nice in the hand. It's a perfect size for my hands. Perfect. Everything is still installing, but look at that smoothness. That is a smooth experience. 120 Hz screen. That is a very, very reflective smartphone. I wish it could be less reflective, like a latest Galaxy smartphone, but it is what it is. How can I switch the wallpaper? After 24 hours, I had to charge this smartphone 3 times already, which is quite unusual. But I am a heavy user. Look at the Iridium webcam, almost 2 hours. Camera, 23 minutes, yeah. But 3 times in 24 hours, that's quite a lot. Anyway, this is just an unboxing experience and a full review coming soon, like 4 or 5 days. I have to know this smartphone first. Well, what is interesting and very, very impressive for the small smartphone like that, and photo and video in wide-angle lens. We do have autofocus in wide-angle lens. Look, you can do macro in wide-angle, and this is something which not too many smartphones have with such a small body. That photo, and we can make a very nice, sharp photo in wide-angle, macro photo, and that is impressive. The whole menu is separate for photo and video. So first you have action pan, long exposure, portrait. Oh, let me do portrait. Wow. Bam, even behind the camera and cables. AI is quick. Photo, night, and panorama. And if we like switch to the main lens, how much zoom can we get with a photo? 8. Wow, we can do macro in telephoto and wide angle. That is impressive. If we hit side, we have 4K 60, HDR, super stabilization, macro mode, and speech engine, stuff like that. Let me show you some samples for photo and video, and there will be a link in the description for you to download original photo and video samples. By the way, we can switch lenses during the 4K 60 recording, which is amazing. Wide angle lens, holding the camera with my hand. All right, zoom, telephoto. Out of focus. 7x. Okay, let's go back. Is there something wrong? All right, let's do it again. Ooh. Out of focus, completely out of focus. So it must be electronic zoom, but what's the point of that electronic zoom if you can't see anything? Well, anyway, let's move on. I'm not sure why the video has so much noise, but photos, it looks decent. Color saturation, all natural colors. In the search for small, reliable and powerful smartphone, is this going to be my daily driver? That is the question, which I could answer in 7 days. See you next video.